sent me the contract. I got on the phone, called my cousin. She's going to a law school to be a lawyer. And I'm hood. She ain't had a bar yet. She ain't passed the bar, but it is what it is. It is what it is.
She know her business. She know the business.
She know how to read, okay? Motherfucker know how to read. So that's all that matters.
Yeah.
So I was driving back to Fayetteville. I was leaving Massachusetts. I was driving from Fayetteville, and I was on the phone with her, phone with him, phone with me, phone with her. Like I was reading the contract, bouncing back. Like I read everything. I have to read it. I'm like, what the fuck is happening? Like, you feel me?
But on some real shit, did you really give a fuck what was in that contract?
Yes, absolutely. Absolutely, bro. Because when I'm gone, my kids got to deal with all that shit.
Yeah.
Absolutely, I gave a fuck. Because if it wasn't right, I'm talking to God, I'm not doing that shit. I don't give a fuck. I would have kept struggling. But I felt okay.
Yeah.
When I feel okay, that okay, and we okay.
Yeah.
I talked to her. I talked to him. I told her everything they say. I told him everything. I didn't leave shit out. I don't want no ifs, ands, or buts.
Yeah.
This is how I'm feeling.
Yeah.
This sounds weird. What is this? I don't know. Explain.
Right.
I don't give a fuck. If you don't ask questions, how the fuck are you going to know?
Yeah.
And that nigga kept it a band with me. And he kept it real. And I signed that shit. Because I felt I'm in a real situation, and I still am. Because I trusted who the fuck I was and who he was, and I trusted my situation.
Right.
And my situation is lit. Because I got trusted for who I am, you feel me? But I had to learn who I am. Because I always had a scapegoat.
First, yeah.
I always had somebody to blame. And when I didn't, I had to blame myself.
Facts.
No cap.
So who's the first artist that like really embraced you, like big artist?
Cole. No, when I seen motherfucking Jermaine Wright, super amazing. I really thought it was like one of his little fan pages. I was like, he don't even be on Instagram, bitch. So why would he write me?
Yeah.
And then like, I got a phone call from Mo. He like, yo, you seen J. Cole write you? I was like, that's him. Like, it ain't one of them. Like, nah, it's him. I said, what the fuck? I went to Instagram, I pinned that shit fast as fuck. Now you talking about
screenshot.
You can't delete that. Pin. You like it. That was it. Right. No cap. And you gotta get your wins, bro. You gotta get your wins.
Yeah.
But that was the first time I was like, yo, this shit may actually be something. And as soon as he did that, my shit started going crazy. It's like people that he fucked with was like, okay, who this little?
Right.
You feel me? Like, and to have somebody like him from my city show me love, and like you can't get past that, bro. Like that's like D Rose going to getting love from Michael Jordan on the court. Like, hey, I see you, Lord. You ain't 23, but you me.
Right.
I like that shit. You feel me? I like being a god, so let him give y'all father. I'm cool.
You about to go on tour too, right?
Yeah.